the world where we dash with numbers. This video we're going to talk about question 6A of Trollsheet 5.19. Trollsheet 5.19, question 6A. So question 6A is saying, find the indicated value. So we have got this function, we are looking for this indicated value. Alright, so what you must know is that when they say f to 2 prime, it means that you differentiate how many times? Twice. You differentiate twice. So we are going to have what? We know we have got this function, f of x is equal to 4 minus x, that is. So first let's find f of x, f prime. Alright, so this expression here is just called a square root. For you to calculate easily, what you must do is express this in form of indices, like this. Express it in form of indices. So from here, we know that this, in short, we are just looking for dy over dx. So dy over dx with the rule which we know, this half it will come down here, then 4 minus x, then half we subtract to 1. Half you subtract 1. When you subtract 1, you're going to have negative half times. We can also differentiate what is inside here, which is what? When we differentiate what is inside here, we're going to have negative 1. What I've used here, I've just used chain rule, composite function. This is a composite function of a function, whereby you can say, let u be what? 4 minus x, then y is equal to u, the power half. So from here you can find du over dx, which is negative 1, and then dy over du, which is half the power u, negative half, like this. This one is this one which is here. This part is this part. Where we know u is what? Is this component, which is this component, which is the power negative half. Very simple, right? Very simple. Hope you are enjoying that. Alright. So from this expression, we can multiply this times negative 1, so we're going to have negative half 4 minus x, the power negative half. So this is f1 prime. Now f2 prime, like this, it means that we look for d2y over dx2. So we differentiate again this component here. So meaning that we're going to have negative half, this half, times negative half, this half, and then 4 minus x. We subtract to 1 again. We subtract 1 again, we're going to have negative 3 over 2 times the derivative of what is inside, which is negative 1. So even here, the same rule of composite function. Alright, so we are going to have what? Negative half times negative half is what? 1 over 4. Times negative 1 is negative 1 over 4. And then we have got 4 minus x, the power negative 3 over 2. Like this, the power negative 3 over 2. So when you reach at this stage now, the question is saying, find f of 2 prime of negative 5. Meaning that wherever there is x in this expression, you put what? Negative 5. So we're going to have what? Negative 1 over 4. 4 minus negative 5. Like this. Raise the power negative 3 over 2, which is equal to negative 1 over 4. So here we're going to have 4 plus, because negative and negative is positive, plus 5, raise the power negative 3 over 2, which is equal to negative 1 over 4 times 9, raise the power negative 3 over 2. So from here, just a matter of simplifying. Now how can you simplify? For you to simplify easily, you should know how to dance with numbers as usual. Know how you can dance with numbers, how you can dance with them. Right. So we know that 9 is the same as what? 3 to the power 2. 9 is the same as 3 to the power 2. So we say negative 5 is equal to, we have got negative 1 over 4 times, I've said 9 is the same as what? 3 to the power 2 multiplied by what? Negative 3 over 2. Alright, so when you do this, let me erase, or let me just come to this part. When you do this, we can cancel out this 2 and this 2. So meaning that you are going to have negative 1 over 4 times what? times 3 raised to the power negative 3, which is equal to what? We have got negative 1 over 4 times 3 raised to the power negative 3 is what? 1 over 3 to the power 3. Alright? I've just cubed a negative power here. So this is negative 1 over 4 times 1 over 3 to the power 3 is what? It's 27. Thank you for telling me that it's 27. Alright. So from here, we're going to multiply negative 1 times 1, which is negative 1, over 4 times 27. 4 times 27 is 108. So this is our answer. So in this video, we have discussed total sheet 5.19 of question 6A. So make sure that you also watch question 6B. See you there.